بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Say sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So of course today we're going to revise together for the exam. We're going to have an exam on Monday, God willing. On Sunday, God willing, the English exam. And everyone is excited for the third exam because we're going to have in a way, okay, a hard one this time, okay. The Antarctic journal, it's going to be hard in a way, but it's not going to be that hard if you're going to revise what I told you to revise, and you're going to watch this video several times. I'm going to go through every and each information, okay. I'm going to try my best, you see, to go through every and each information that we have studied together through this worksheet, okay. So the questions here, all what you have to do is to do it again and again. It's uploaded on Classera, okay? It's there on WhatsApp if you want to print it and to solve it several times. You see, so we have provided you with all the information needed, okay? To be able to get the full mark in the exam, God willing. So please pay attention to teacher. It's gonna be easy, God willing. Let's start. So of course we're going to start with the comprehension questions. Here choose the correct answer based on your understanding. I have sent this on the correction group. If someone didn't receive it, please contact me. I'm going to send it to him, okay? So based on your understanding of Antarctic journal, some people are asking me, teacher, we do not pronounce that C, okay? The first one, which is pronounced as a K. No, you can go back to Google. You can go back to Oxford, okay? It's going to be Antarctic and it's going to be Antarctica, okay? I'm going to pronounce it the way it has to be pronounced because some people are pronouncing it in a wrong way. They do not pronounce the K, okay, which is a C, of course. I don't know why. So, based on your understanding of Antarctic journal, answer the following questions. And please pay attention because this story is full of information. All what you have to do is whenever I ask you about something or you want to revise, when you're going to revise, go back to the book, okay, and try to look for that information. So, which of the following is a main idea, is a major idea from the author's entry, which means the introduction of the author? You remember, she is a woman, okay? On November 17th. Everyone remembers that this story, yes, some people are going to say, but teacher, you said that it's an expository text. Okay, how is that? We said it's a journal. Of course, it's a journal, it's a kind of a diary, okay, which is presenting all the needed information, okay, about the Antarctica, about the South Pole. But here we have to believe the writer because she is a scientist, she is an explorer, she is someone who went to that place, okay, to discover that place and to write about that place. She decided to write a diary, okay, or what we call a journal, okay, to explain or to express her point of view about the South Pole. But of course, we have to believe a scientist, okay? And she didn't lie in anything, okay? So here you have to go back to the 17th of November in the story itself, okay? So not the main idea of the story, please. Here I'm not asking about the main idea of the story. No, I'm not, okay? I'm asking about the main idea on the introduction itself, okay? It's going to be this. The trip to Antarctica had lots of exciting things to see, okay? She introduced it in this way to make you excited about Antarctica, you see, to make you excited about that place and to make you like eager to go to that place and to visit that place. Broad-winged seabirds flew a few inches above the waves. No, it's not talking about that. We have talked about the broad-winged seabirds, but it's not the main idea, okay? Humpback whales, if you remember the humpback whales, okay? Swam in the cold Antarctic waters. We have talked about the humpback whales when we said that those whales are respected in the waters of the South Pole. Whenever a ship is crossing or moving, okay? It's gonna stop its engine out of respect to those animals, which is something so beautiful, okay, to respect nature, okay. So you can see that we have taken like 5 minutes to explain only the first one. So I'm going to have to make maybe two videos, not only one video. So please, whenever I stop with this video, move on to the second one. Where did I go? So let me go back here, up. So here, yes. Okay. You remember when we said that Litchfield is an island, okay? And that girl wanted to go to that island is in a zodiac. I'm trying to refresh your memories, my boys. You see, so she went on a zodiac, and we have said that the zodiac is a boat made of plastic, okay? And she went to that island, okay? She said, if you remember, that that island, you cannot tell that it is an island because it's linked to the mainland, because the narrow passage between the two pieces, okay, it's frozen, okay, because it's too cold there. So because Litchfield Island is a protected place, yes, okay, Palmer Station is located there. No, you need to travel by an inflatable boat to get there. That's something totally correct, but I don't need it forever because I can walk even, okay, when the passage is frozen. Only 2 or 3 people are allowed to visit it each year. Yes, okay. So Litchfield is a protected area until now, and you can check it on Google, okay? You cannot visit that area, okay? If you go to the South Pole, okay, you are welcome. And the South Pole, by the way, it doesn't belong to any country, okay? So everyone can go there, okay? So you have to go to Argentina or Chile, okay, to fly from Chile or Argentina, okay, to reach the South Pole, of course, okay? So only 2 or 3 people are allowed to visit it each year. So they don't want people to go there a lot, okay? Of course, they don't want them to ruin it, okay? The author must be taught how to walk on Litchfield Island because you have here to remember when we have been talking about the ice, we have said, for example, 1 inch of ice is going to take like 100 years to be there, okay? And you're going to rip it, okay, just by walking on it. So they're going to teach you how to walk in order not to slip, okay, and in order not to ruin the place. So she must be careful not to rip out the moss, which is the ice, of course, or the snow, because it's something like that we should respect, okay? That's nature there. That's Mother Nature that we should respect there, okay? If you're going to ruin it, okay, the animals, they're not going to have any shelter, and they're going to suffer. There are penguins all around. Yes, penguins are all around, but that's not why. She broke her legs at Palmer Station. She didn't break her legs. She didn't. She didn't fall, and she didn't break her legs. Okay, so breaking the legs and falling and everything is in Moonwalk now, the story that we're studying now. Okay, okay. Based on the information in the selection, you can conclude that as a conclusion. What can you conclude from this story after reading it, from this long story for a lot of people? Okay, there are not any birds in Antarctica, which is totally wrong. Okay, traveling by inflatable boat is always dangerous. If we don't have the orcas, it's not going to be dangerous. You remember that? I'm going to refresh your memories, my boys. Okay? Only when you see the orcas and you are in a zodiac, please stop moving, because the orca is going to take you let's say, a turtle or a seal or a penguin. She's going by mistake, of course, and she's going to bite that zodiac. And whenever you are in the water, may God help you, because the orca, they're going to eat you. Okay. Now, number 4, C, there is a danger of getting stranded on an island in a storm. That's the only thing. When I read this story the first time, okay, that's the only thing that I concluded, okay? I don't have to go out there by myself, okay? I cannot be alone. Stranded on an island means being alone on an island in a storm, especially. And this is one of the rules. If you remember the rules of Palmer Station, you cannot go there by yourself. You're going to be in great danger, and you're going to be hurt, of course, because no one is coming out, okay, and risking his own life just to take care of you, okay? So follow the rules, and you're not going to suffer. I'm going to move on to another video because this one is about to end.